myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. So, a little bit of a different atmosphere here for you. Came into the house, it was way too cold. It's gotten very cold here. It was minus 35 degrees Celsius this morning. It's freaking chilly. So I went out, fed cats and chickens, and dragged the trails and the driveway and stuff like that. And I couldn't stop and make a video back in the bush. Got the deer fed. Lots of fox and coyote tracks out back. It was actually pretty crazy how much they're running around back there, but that's their home. We got a storm system coming. We're supposed to get anywhere from 10 to 20 centimeters of snow. It's supposed to be hitting here sometime this afternoon or tonight, so getting prepared for that. Other than that, there's not much going on as of today. Just kind of chilling. Wait for the snowstorm to hit and get cleaned up after that, and then start working on some projects. Kids just went back to school today after the Christmas holidays, so just kind of chilling out today, and probably tomorrow will be busy dragging trails and being outside, and so tomorrow will be a wash, but that's okay. 2 more days with my little buddy Yoshi. As you all know, Yoshi's the new addition to the family, and he's been a good little pup. He's fitting in nicely. But other than that, we're not doing much. Just kind of a wintertime slowdown period. Got definitely some plans of things coming up. So, but I hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this